Hello, guys. Good morning, and welcome to Justice TV. The Bitcoin market is doing what the Bitcoin market does best, which is high volatility. The market is giving us high volatility, and it's nice. It's nice for those that knows what they are doing. So, for today's analysis, I would be showing us what is it more like a confirmation to what I forecast in the last video. Yes. Now, on the last video, looking at my screen here, we forecast that there would be a breakdown, a breakthrough this trend line, and a retest that after the retest should be when we enter into the market to go short for a little time. Now, the breakdown happened and the volatility, the momentum for the breakdown was very high. Yeah, it was quite high enough, and boom, it struck our first target. Now, for those people that would love to enter the market very fast, you struck your first target and you never remember to adjust your entry, your stop back to your entry level. You'll be at massive loss right now, if not liquidated, depending on your leverage. Now, depending on your leverage, because Bitcoin from that point went as high as 9%. So depending on your leverage, and I understand so many persons trading Bitcoin trade no leverage less than 10, 10x, 15x, 20x. So this might be you liquidated if you have not adjusted your entry as your stop. Now, with that said, remember this, I never did this analysis. Now, getting the link from above there, you would see in my past video that this analysis was done and kept. Yes, it was done and kept. So this is exactly what I think I'm safe to take this off now. This is exactly what we were looking up for. Sorry, it's my brush. Okay, we're looking up for this. Sorry, this is wrong. This is exactly what we're looking up for. The market coming like this, coming to retest, then you get your entry from this zone, then you move down. But no, the market did what Bitcoin does best, and now we have a whole new analysis to consider. Now this is on our 1 hour chart, so let's go back to let's go back to our daily and see what is really happening right now. Now on the daily, I announced that there will be a good retest, even to the point of 21k. No. To the point of, I said there will be a good retest, even to the point of 18k. That was what I said. And these are profit targets for that retest. So let me be safe to take it off now. Sorry, let me change the candle for the purpose of this analysis. Okay. Yep. Now we have a neat screen to view on. Now the volume for yesterday was nice. Yeah, the volume for yesterday came pretty well. It was okay. Now what I'm more considered at is what price range has the Bitcoin market struck, and what could be the possible outcome to happen now, because now the Bitcoin market has a particular price range that after striking it would want to come and retest the former level. Yeah, it would want to come and retest the previous level of which it left. And so we understand the Bitcoin has not retested so far. There has not been a really retest in the market, so we would have to wait to see a good retest, though so many of us have started making good money already, and so many persons have been okay. I would still want to wait. Now looking at our indicator RSI, we could see that RSI is oversold, overbought already. It's at 84. Now it is already showing us something like a bearish divergence here. Just very little indication on it. And our price is still what? Pumping up. So it's giving us an obvious bearish divergence. But what level would Bitcoin get to before we finally see this divergence kicking in? Is when the bulls with high is when the bulls leave the market in strong volume. Yes, which means when the sellers step in, that is when we would see this thing kicking off. Now let me see something very fast. Let's go through something. Now this first target profit on the bullish run has been struck. Nice. Now, should you enter here? You've made this first profit. Nice. What would be the second target? This should be the second target. It has been struck. Nice. What might be the third target? So if Bitcoin continues this rally, it might be looking forward to 24, 25k. Yeah, Bitcoin might be looking forward to 25k. It's a good level, a perfect level, but I promise you, after 25k, there will be a massive, I repeat, read my lips, there will be a massive, huge retest in the Bitcoin market that so many persons will get liquidated at. I am promising you this. Should Bitcoin price approach 25k, there would be a massive dump in the market that you would think it's a fallback. You would think the bears have taken over the market back, but no, it's just a retest. How do I know? Let me on my most favorite indicator, Ichimoku cloud. Now, as you can see, there was a thin space here, which means there's no more momentum in this market, which means the buyers have lost interest. They have lost their strength in the market. The sellers are trying to take it, but there's no really strong momentum, which means there's nobody taking charge. There's nobody wanting to take charge. Everyone is just sitting back, understanding the market. And up to this point, once the buyers started getting pressure, good pressure. But the slight issue here is that my oscillator is showing me something else. It's showing me something else of the sort of we are going into a bearish divergence season soon, and which means we might pump up as everyone is going based on momentum, based on volume, but we would fall back down. We will fall back down. Now we could fall back down to 20k. We could fall back down to 21, but from 25k, I promise you there would be a roughly 15% fall down. Let me check it. Yes, this is a promise. Bitcoin might dump 15% after striking 25k. So let's just be guided at that. Let's confirm it on 4 hours. The confirmation on 4 hours is quite good. It's quite good. It's quite good. Now I told you there's something like a bearish divergence happening, and this is it. Boom, 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 boom. So guys, that is just it on BTC. Let's take a very good quick glance at Ethereum. Now, Ethereum has struck our target level for the market going up. So, what could be the possibility of a good market at Ethereum? Remember, I've been shouting there could be a retest, there could be a retest, there's going to be a retest, there's going to be a retest. Let's not just neglect what Justice is saying. It has struck this level. Perfect. We've hit our target. The target we set days back. I've forgotten how many days, over a week now. And I believe you must have taken your profit since then. So a target we set days back has been struck, and now we have a good resistance level above for Ethereum. Yeah, it could hit the resistance, which is 1.7, and come back 1700. Yeah, it could come back down. So that is the level. Ethereum could come back down to 1300, which is 1300 per USDT. So guys, this is the slight update I have for you in the crypto space. What am I trying to say here? The summary of this clip is, please be observant. Don't get carried away with the the bullish run of the market. It's juicy, it's cool. Yeah, it's very nice. You enjoy good profit from a buying market. those holding would be smiling that they are making good money. But please, I would advise us, justice is advising you, don't be carried away. If you're enjoying, as you make profit from a 20x trade, please reduce your leverage to 15 or better still 10. I trade 10. I personally trade 10. I personally trade 10 and I risk a small portion of my account. Why? No matter how good of an analyst you are, no matter how good of a trader you are, you can't tell what the market has against you in the moment. You can never tell. You will never be able to tell. So, guys, that is it. You can never tell what the market has against you. So, don't give the market a reason to judge you. Be very smart, don't be greedy. And that's it for the video for now. And guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Click the subscribe button, it's at your end there. Click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so whenever I post any new update, you would be one of the first persons to come and check it out, because I believe my videos are very educative and they are very informative for you to get a good update. Thank you very much, guys. Love you.